Yeah, I'm ready to take.
Just leave him alone. See what he does.
We're out here.
Hey, look at his head. His feathers are up.
We are here in the Amazon jungle, seeing the red Joe.
Take a picture.
Very thirsty for water. It's in its natural habitat. It is not blind.
Oh, Joe! Joe!
His twin brother will come.
Get it, Joe, get it.
Go bring the other bird. Go bring the other one.
Dude, parakeets, when they fly and you're in the room, they shit.
You better get that shit. Hey.
Eric, bring the other one.
Why?
Look at Eric with the bird. Oh, yeah. Hey, you look closely. You can see the bird trying to buy him.
Did you, wait, you shut the pollo?
No. We're putting
Will
this.
you get mad?
No. I'm telling my mom, look, he went out.
Wanna take a picture of him?
Wanna fly real quick and then we put him back in the cage?
What?
Wanna fly real quick?
No, just leave him and see what he does. And after that, we'll bring the girl.
Just leave it.
Just leave him alone.
He's going into the wild.
It's the water.
Spread your wings and fly.
Next, we're gonna bring the girl. That's what she does.
No.
Oh, it's there, guys. Oh, there it is. Stop.
Into the
We gotta do move.
Into the wild with the bird. Can I touch my camera? Oh shit.
Oh, leave him right there. Leave him right there.
Into the wild. Into the wild. Into the wild. It's looking up.
Make him step on the stick, watch.
Oh shit. Oh.
The parakeets, they land on the sticks. If you put the stick in front of them, they'll step on you.
No, they have
Yeah.
to put it on their foot.
Alright, let's go. Let's take it back. Let's take it back
You
home.
won't do it. You won't do it.
He's scared.
Okay,
Oh. Oh. Eric. Hey, that fool's gonna break a wing. Catch that fool. Okay, let's go put him back in his
bring
cage.
the girl.
Put him back in his cage.
Hold on, let him stand on here first.
He's fighting.
He's staying up.
Alright.
That's enough. He had enough.
Let's bring the girl.
Big enough?
Let's go.
Let's bring the
Oh
girl.
shit.
You have to clip this part. You have to clip that.
If you cut that,
Yeah.
they won't fly.
Yeah, no.
Alright, let's go.
Let's bring the girl next.
Oh, fuck that no more.
Eric, bring.
Speaking of that.
Okay, let's go. I'm doing.